Uthando yinto entle efudumeleyo kwaye ethandekayo. Abadala bathi uthando aluboni, kodwa izazi zothando zithi intliziyo ayiphakelwa. Lapha ke sifumana umdlalo wothando lwabantu abatsha olubizwa ngoba intliziyo ayiphakelwa. Asike sibone uba lusithatha lusibeke indawo.
And then go to
Mo kinna tondile phisa we Nevo etswa ka mo wena
buti we una no romang wena o tlotla ka mo motseng wa ka o bitsa monna ka bjana
sisi itshintshile wengabuzana Nevo ha se motho le putsa mo ke nna monna hao khane re ratana long time ago and every time she break up with you wena ga mo foster a dula etswa ko monneng wa ka are you so desperate
hey batho ba modimo ka hlollwa wena nna wa le nna re nyetse re na le bana nna wa se gay wena
dear now ke after 9 accept it monsare ona le wena o nyetse ona le bana bushiu he's mine ona ke gapa ka twa go le so ka twa go gatimo yeah
wa tloela wena futsa
As quick as possible after when they texted her. Masha?
He texted. Oh, Jonga bukani mani uqobo. Ngofaka kuyo yonke lento ndiyazi ba awundimuntu ogqibela ufuna ukuthetha naye after yonke la.
Dedelo mzimba nangu. Sorry for what? Sorry for who? Listen, we were learning to shop or on phone. If we tell someone who can learn, fitting for you.
Ndimoshile ndenze into wrong. And then ndakwenza nefamily yakho and then ndakhetha unyaka lo over when I was insisting.
Mamela. Bobo shara dira di mistake. Len na personally. Ke re le di mistake o robala le ngwana hao over enka. But for now, ntse ke tloga go re lebala ka everything, ne? Re focus mo future. Cause senze go rata. Why it's into me.
Oh wow. Okay, I see I just interrupted the moment. No, you know what, you guys can continue. Don't stop because of I'm here. And as for you, Noko, just yesterday you were pretending as if you were heard about everything that has been happening. Begging me to stay with you. Suddenly you have decided and changed your mind. Uti, we move on already. And you Bugam, utshwana in ntjafela e gijimisang le thambo. So kopo vai jo vai
Bon. Ifuna le motho ana le di borsi na fu yo mpotso re ke irenga mo tlung ya hae. Ke tsamela go mang ke nongo not wena. Remember us on inviting so na right on mpotso re ke ireng wena.
okay.
It's fine. Buka ngahamba nje sakufonela.
Sure? Okay. Ifuna hloko mfonela ne.
Sure. Yeah, you heard her. Vai. Vai.
Tlhokomela o sa yang mene. Nongo.
Really, Nongo? You called him out of all people. Tell me, you can't live without a man in your life, huh?
Stop, Nyakala. Yeva. Ufuna ndithini ndihlala apha endlini ndikhale, ndodwa. Ndiyakufonela bama ma-calls wami, ndiyakutexta bama ma-text wami. Ufuna ndenzeni? Ndihlala apha ndilile ndodwa, man. Yo, hayi.
Baby? Sithandwa sami. Sengiyile manje. Uyabona nguye ungale kusisi ngomjeka hayi akekho usaphumile. Yasho ukuthi mina nawe namhla Yesu bayi2 imini yonke futhi singenzana noma yini into esifunayo. Uyabona kanjani? Oh, zabhiwe.
Bonke man khawume. Hayibo yintoni? Bonke khawungixelele manje ikhona into oyicingayo nje wena right like ikhona into wena bonke uzicingela wedwa. Uma mama uhlepha une stress ikhona into
Hayi baby uqalileke manje sithando sami. Uyabona uqalile manje. Ngikhuluma nawe nje uyabona umshana wami unyakala. Ngikhuluma naye nje impilo yakhe ihlangahlangene ngayo yona lento yaka mama khulu. Kodwa bheka usuku lokho usumile simisa impilo yethu singasenze next mina nawe.
bonke khawume kancane.
Yini man woza.
Bonke man khawume. Hayibona baza selfish bo. Hayibo uthathwa phi? Hayibo yebonto uyindoda enjani kakuze necebo nje bonke sincede umama into busy ngayo ubusy namanyala bonke
Bali ufuna kahle kahle wena. Yini lento yakho ubhizi uzovika ngomama wakho always mangawe. Ye uyabona lento okhuluma ngayo manje inkinga yaka mama wakho akuyona inkinga yethu futhi ayikho into esingayenza ngalokho. Ngalela lawa nibali sengikhathele lo mbhedo wakho ubhizi owenza mama sithu yangizokuthi nje usayifuna lento yami noma eyami neyakho noma kanjani ngoba bani mama ungasayifuni uvele usho ngoba noma ungasayifuni lalela yabona kunabengani bakho abaninzi lapha ngaphandle abangifunako mina futhi bangajabulela ukuba nami ngizothi nje
yazi ntoni bonke hambe yofa nokuzixoxa wena na
mbali
hey man
Hello, stranger. I find it pointless for me to log in because they're doing something already.
Oh, Wanzo? So fikile sithando sami. Mamela la be. Kaniboko bisonke lesikhathi.
Just hold on. What is this all about?
Baby. Yini manje manje? Hayi, awuna problem baby. Yes baby, ngithi mhlawumbe nawe uyayithanda lento engiyenza kuwe. Yini uthanda kanti?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, then thola yo baby.
Just hold on. You know what, Bundu? I don't understand. Last time you were chasing me out from your house. You know, like I don't like this thing of you calling me only when you need me. I'm not a prostitute. We need to talk about this. Okay?
Yabona baby ne. Nawe futhi yazi nina amantombazana kahle kahle nginazi ukuthi ninjani. Niyathanda umosha into special.
What do you mean?
Ngikhuluma mina manje. Yazi ngoba kudala ngingasaboni yabona mangibona sithando sami inhliziyo yami ivele eshayile phezulu. So nawe ngithi vele mhlawumbe uzizwa kanjani nje?
Yes, I do. But we need to talk as a live. We need to talk.
We need to talk.
Yeah, the rest will follow.